Guys, this is Cove here today, and today I'm going to be showing you how to convert Minecraft roles from Minecraft Java to Minecraft Bedrock, and also the other way around, so Minecraft Bedrock to Minecraft Java. It's super cool and it's free. You don't have to do anything. It's just a website you put it into. It's officially licensed by Mojang. It's called chunker.app, and yeah, I think it's really sweet. But basically, how we're going to start this video off is I'm going to show you how to go from the Java edition of the game to the Bedrock edition of the game. And then at a later date, or at a later timestamp I should say, in this video, I'm also going to go the other way around. So that would be Bedrock to Java. And I will have the timestamp for that probably in the pinned comments, and I will also have YouTube chapters on. So yeah. But basically guys, with that all said, there's a couple of things you need to know about this. So the first thing is that everything in your inventory you're going to have to put in a chest and leave it somewhere. If you don't do that, then everything in your inventory is just going to get deleted and there's no getting it back. That's just one of the silly things about converting stuff, and yeah, there's not really a lot you can do about it. The other thing is that your villagers, cows, pets, and any entity in the game probably not going to transfer over. So you're just going to have to be aware of that, and if you have a lot of maxed out villagers or you have a bunch of dogs or something, you're basically just gonna have to say goodbye to them, because there's just really nothing you can do about that. And also, last but not least, oh, actually two things. And then also, your map data is not going to transfer over. I'm not even sure if maps will work when they transfer over, so you're gonna have to remake your maps. But the last thing I was gonna say is you need to know where your coordinates are for your base and stuff, for your builds, because you're gonna get sent back to the world spawn point. So that would be like the world spawn, so like where you spawned in when you first created the world. So basically guys, I'm going to show you how to like take a screenshot of those, and it should work. You should be able to watch the coords and you'll get it. But anyways guys, with those four things out of the way, I just want you to know, thank you for also watching the video. But basically, we're going to start in the Java to Bedrock conversion. So basically, we're going to go to single player right here, and I'm going to play Big Castle, which is the world I'm going to be converting. Now, I did not make this world. I will leave a download in the description for who did. And yeah, guys, so basically, it's almost done. All right, here's the world. As you can see, guys, this would be really hard to recreate by hand. But basically, guys, I'm not sure if the banners are going to translate, or convert, but we'll find out. But okay, so this is pretty much the world. Let me just show you this thing real quick, and then I'll show you what you have to do to prepare. And basically, here's the other part of the castle. So it's pretty sweet looking. It's very detailed, as you can see. And yeah, I'm going to show you to convert this. So there's also a village type thing and a courtyard, and yeah, it's pretty sweet. There's also a beacon. Now, just note, guys, like I said, villagers aren't transferring over. But okay, with that being said though, I'm going to show you what you have to do, guys, for this to all work. So first off, I'm going to get on the ground real quick, and I'm going to give myself a couple of items just to show you. So we'll go sword, netherite sword, okay. So, and then we'll also do, some diamond ore. So we'll do a whole stack of that. Okay, so basically, imagine this is your inventory, right? So let's also give me some armor, like that. So okay, we'll just do a chest plate. So imagine that this is your inventory. So you've got your pickaxe, your swords, your armors on, all that stuff. Okay, well, what I want you to do is I want you to, first off, I'm gonna put myself in game mode, survival. And basically, once you're in this mode, you want, basically, because I'm assuming that you're going to be in survival, but what I want you to do is I just want you to get a tree, and I want you to make a chest. So let me just do this real quick. Okay, almost have enough wood, guys. Okay, so basically, here we go. You're just going to make that, and you're going to do that, and bam. And we can just, okay, sorry. Okay. Once you have your chest, you can just take it, put all your stuff in. So I'm gonna do that. And basically what I'm also gonna do, since I have two chest plates like right here, I'm going to leave one in my inventory just to prove to you guys that it does not work. Alright, Now guys, once you have that done and you have everything in your inventory in a chest like that, then basically guys, then what you can do next is you can say goodbye to all your pets and stuff and all your villagers. Okay, once you do that and you realize the consequences of converting, and then basically what I want you guys to do is I want you guys, on the Java version, since that was where we're converting from, click F3. Now you can see into the left center that it says XYZ, so mine's 204.69 nig 179. Now what I also want you guys to do is while you're on the screen, click F2. Okay, now if you open your chat, you'll see save screenshot as 2022, and it'll say the date, and basically all you have to do is just click on the underlined bit. So click on that and you'll get a screenshot. So here's the screenshot. Now don't get rid of this, keep this for now because we're gonna need this. So just minimize that to your desktop. Okay, now basically guys, once you do that, you're pretty much all good to go. So just escape, save and quit to title, but do not close the game yet. That's very important. Do not close the game. So once you go back to single player, highlight the world, click edit, and click open world folder. Alright, now basically you'll get directed to this screen here, and it'll say advancements, data, and all this yada yada stuff. Don't mess with any of this currently, because this is the actual world itself. We don't want to delete anything. Now what you want to do is where it says up at the top here, Red Castle v3, or whatever your world name is, basically you just want to go back one and click saves. Okay, now you're going to be to this page here. Now make sure you have some space open on your desktop. I'm going to put this folder over here, but make sure you have some space on your desktop, because what I want you to do is right click on it, so right click on your file, that is your world, and then click copy, and then go back to your desktop and right click again and do paste. And then basically you might get this error. Now what that means is you just have to close the game. So I forgot to do that, but yeah, that's very important. So just do copy, paste, and you're gonna give it a second, and I'm just gonna click replace, but it should just work for you. Okay, now from this page onwards, now you might be saying, okay, now can we just go convert it? Well, no, we have to right click on it again, go send to, and then we have to do compressed zipped folder. Now I don't know why it makes you do this, but chunker.app, which is the thing that we're going to be using, does not like it when you don't do that. Alright, now here is the folder that we can actually convert. So what I want you guys to do is to go to chunker.app, link in the description, and basically guys, this is what it looks like. So basically it says proudly made by Hive Games under exclusive license to Minecraft. As you guys know, Hive makes a probably the best Bedrock licensed server, featured server that there is. But okay, anyways, you're gonna get to this step right here. So remember how we had this on our desktop? Well, that's gonna become very important in just a sec. So basically, make sure you know where that file is, that zip file. Alright, now you're gonna have two options on chunker.app. Choose world folder or upload archive. Now what we're gonna be using for today is upload archive. So we're just gonna click that, and as you can see, for you guys, it's probably gonna be in your downloads and you're not gonna be able to find it. So make sure you click desktop. Alright, now what I want you to do is click on, for me it's gonna be redcastleb3.zip, but it's gonna be whatever your name is .zip, and then just click on that, click open. Alright, now basically now you're gonna be to this page here, and you basically just want to click start upload. Now depending on how big your world is, it's going to take probably a little bit of time to upload your world, because you know it's using your internet, so you just gotta give it a sec. So we're almost done. It goes pretty fast. So yeah. Okay, unzipping and detecting version. This can take a little bit of time as well, but I mean it shouldn't take that long. But yeah. So I'll be back when this is done. Okay guys, so once that unzipping and detecting version is done, you'll basically be onto this screen. So basically guys, what you should do is you should see how it says 1.19 for me. Well, I probably should just, well actually I should just go to 1.19.0 Bedrock. Now you might be asking, why are all these other versions here? Well, this is for so like if you're on an older version of the world, it's going to tell you on the Java your source version. What I recommend you try to do is match that for your Bedrock edition. But actually, what I really recommend though is that no matter what version your world's on, you just do 1.19.0. Because there's a couple bugs right now where if you convert to some of these other versions of the game, then you can't place or build blocks. So that's just to know. I even though this is beta, I do 1.19.0, and that's also my source version. So yeah. Now don't worry about the Java version of this. I don't know why they even put these options here, but basically we're just worried about these. So I'm just gonna click 1.19, and I'm going to click convert, and basically it'll say you're number 1 in the queue. It might say, you know, you're longer in the queue. You just have to wait. Unfortunately, we're pretty close though, so I'm just gonna give it a sec. I'll be back when this is done. Okay guys, so once the converting's done, it'll say zipping, and then once it's zipped, it'll say download world, ready to download. Just click download. Alright, now you can see it's going to spit out a .mc world file. Now that is what you need to basically play a Bedrock Edition world. You need a .mc world file. Now on Chrome, once this is done, you can just click on it, but if you don't have Chrome, what you're going to have to do is go to your downloads and it'll show up there. So basically, I'm going to wait until this is done, and then I'll come back to you guys. Alright guys, so this is almost done. Basically, what I was saying though is that I can just click this right here, and it'll load me right into Bedrock. But for most of you guys, well actually most of you guys, it's just going to be simple as clicking this. But if you use another web browser that doesn't have that option, just go to your downloads, and it's right here. So basically, from this point onwards, you can just close this, and basically, I will just open this. Okay, now it's going to open up Minecraft Bedrock for Windows 10, because that's probably, I mean, I'm assuming that you have Bedrock installed. So yeah, you got to give it a second. It's pretty quick to load, but okay. Now it says world import started. That's a good sign. That means that we're importing the world. Alright, now it says world import finished successfully. Now what I want you to do is click play. And as you can see, it's either going to be the first or top of your list. For me, it's always been the top though. And basically what I'm going to do is, before you open up the world, click the pencil icon and go down and click show coordinates. That's just going to be very important for getting the basically it's important because, you know, like I said, you're back at spawn, so you need to find your way back. Alright, now I'm just going to click play, and I'm going to load up the world, and we'll see where I went. First time, the building terrain might take a while, so basically yeah, so as you can see, it's kind of slow, but it loaded up very fast for me this time. Okay, now guys, basically we can see that I pretty much spawned exactly where I was, but basically this usually doesn't happen. If you travel a couple thousand blocks out, you're going to have to know your coordinates. So for example, what I'm going to do is, how do you do this normally is you on F11 your game. So here I am, I'm smaller, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up my screenshot, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull that up, and I'm going to pull this up, and we're basically just going to look. So if we look at the chords on the left, it's 204, so I could just go 204 like that, and then basically make 179. So yeah guys, so we're pretty much at the chords where this was taken. So pretty much that's pretty sweet. Now once you have that done, just click F11 again, and yeah guys, so if you open up the chest, you'll see that everything has transferred over, and you can also see that the diamond chest plate at the beginning is gone. So yeah, make sure that you guys don't do that. So let me just get this stuff out of the chest and place stuff. So yeah, basically, as you can see, okay, hey guys, this is future me here. I just wanted to say something about Minecraft right now, mainly Minecraft Bedrock. There is a bug right now where if you convert a world, so for example, this is a converted world from Java. It is the NRP world, link in description. As you can see, you can't open doors. Like, so if you open the door with the water bucket, you can, but for example, I can't open the door with any tool or anything. So the other thing though is that what you might notice is that with tools, none of this stuff will break, and it's really stupid. and also when you try to mount or pretty much put on armor, it doesn't work. So for now, guys, you're just going to have to like do it like that. But I think this is a reason why this is happening. It's because chunker.app is only supporting up to Bedrock 1.19, and basically Bedrock just had an update where basically it's on 1.19.2. And I remember because I updated a couple days ago, and before this was completely fine. I was having none of these issues. So basically, guys, I'm pretty sure they're gonna have a hotfix coming out pretty soon. I haven't seen any documentation though, so I hope it's just Bedrock. If it's chunker.app, I'm pretty sure it'll be fixed instantly. And yeah, so this shouldn't be this hopefully isn't a problem when you are trying to convert and the video is a couple weeks old. Hopefully this isn't a problem for you guys, but I just wanted to say that. So I'm sorry if you're having this issue. Hopefully Microsoft will fix their game and this won't be a problem. But anyways, guys, back to the video. This is all working fine. It's perfect. And basically, guys, yeah, that's pretty much it. So thank you guys for watching this portion of the video. Just to show you guys, I'm going to go into creative mode or / game mode. I think it is. Yeah. Sorry, I'm not a big Bedrock player. Game mode C. Okay. So basically, guys, I will show you how this world is. So it's pretty much the same, guys. So as you can see, I got the Bedrock cape on this time. So yeah, but basically, yeah, same world. Pretty much nothing has changed. Now, obviously, there's gonna be no villagers, no pigs or anything, and they're gonna have to spawn them in. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching this part of the video. I understand now you want to click off because you got from Java to Bedrock. But if you guys are, wondering how to convert from Bedrock to Java, well, stick around. So basically, we're gonna get right into that currently. So thank you. Alright guys, so now we're going to be moving on to the second part of the video, which is Bedrock to Java. Personally, I think this conversion is a little bit easier than Java to Bedrock. But basically, guys, if you haven't seen the first part of the video, I'm going to read off the guidelines, or not the guidelines, but basically what is going to happen before you convert. So first off, none of your entities are going to transfer over. So example, no cows, no villagers, no dogs, no pets, just no nothing. You're going to have to respawn them in, or just let the game respawn them in naturally. So basically, I'm sorry about that, but basically that is a problem. And then second of all, basically you're going to have to put all your inventory currently on you in a chest, because if you don't, then you're going to lose it all, and we don't want that to happen. So that's pretty simple. I'll just make a chest and stuff, put it in there. And yeah, also your map data is not going to transfer over, so if you spend a lot of time making maps, I'm sorry, you're gonna have to remake them once you convert it. Also, last but not least, is basically you're going to be sent back to the world spawn. So basically you're going to want to screenshot your coordinates and know where you are. So yeah, guys, so with that all said, let's get all into it. So click play, and basically you're going to want to pick the world. So I'm going to do community survival world. This is the big castle world's what I converted over, but basically I'm just going to click this world right here, because that's the one I'm doing. Now, community survival world is one of my old Minecraft realms I used to host, and I just downloaded it. It's dead, but I kind of like the world. It wasn't that popular, but yeah. Anyways, guys, basically what you're gonna do first is once you're into your world, just get a chest. You can craft one. For me, I already have one in my inventory. Place it down, put all your stuff in there. So it doesn't really matter how you do it. Just make sure that you put your stuff in there and be careful. So just put it all in there, because you're going to lose it if you don't, and it's permanent. It's just like it gets deleted. You can't get it back. So if you got OP swords, OP armor, get that stuff off of you into a chest, because if you don't, then that's gonna be a problem. Alright, now once you do that, just put all your stuff in there like I'm doing now, and bam. Alright, so once that's all in there, you're going to want to take a, now unfortunately you can't just do an F2 screenshot. That's only for Java. So I think it's easiest is to get your phone and take a screenshot of the coordinates, or a picture of the footage. Sorry, picture of the coordinates. Sorry, I cannot talk today. But anyways, guys, basically once that's done, just say goodbye to all your pets and cows and stuff, and say goodbye to your map data, because that's pretty much it. That now we can move on to the last step. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do game mode C, and I'm just going to show you the world real quick. So it's not as good as the last one was, but basically we got the portal, and if we go into the portal, I'm not sure if nether data is going to transfer over, but we'll definitely see. So yeah, we got some stuff in the nether. I'm going to go back into the overworld now, and we'll see what else is available. So yeah, here basically we got this big mesa biome right here. It's pretty big, and we got a couple of other houses here, and I believe there's also a little bit of stuff over here. So yeah, okay, we got some stuff over here. Yeah, guys, so this is pretty much the world that we're gonna be converting. But anyways, guys, once you're done with that, what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna touch the ground real quick and put myself back into game mode S, like that. Okay, now once you're done with that, just click save and quit. So let me F5, save and quit, like that. And then don't close the game yet, because this is an important step. So go to the pencil icon right now, and then what I want you to do is go down, all the way down on this menu, so on the game menu right here, and click export world. Now this is very important. Now basically you have two options. You can put yourself into downloads, or what I like to do is put myself into desktop and click export. Now exporting basically does the same thing as going into the Java Edition save folder and just grabbing it, the save. So basically I think Bedrock Edition makes it a lot more simpler to do, and then once that's done, close it. Now you should have this right here. So basically what you want to do now is go to your web browser and type in chunker.app. Again, link in the description. And basically from here on out, once you verify that it's on your desktop, just click upload archive and go to the, okay, so I'm already on desktop. You might be on downloads though. I'm going to go to desktop, click this, and then it says your community world, your world community, whatever your name is going to be ready to upload. Just click start upload. Now for me, this world is going to take a little bit of time to upload because it's around almost 300 megabytes. So it's quite a big world. I mean, not really. I've had worlds bigger. I mean, I'm not sure, honestly, what the max upload size, world size for chunker.app is. I'm assuming, though, if you got a very big world, then you might just have to go with another solution instead of chunker.app, because I'm not sure how big of a world chunker.app can handle. Anyways, guys, it's almost done, though, so basically just got 30% more to go. This is also going to depend on how fast your internet connection is. I have a pretty fast one, so this is going really fast, but if you have a slower internet connection, you might just have to let it go for a little bit. Alright, now unzipping and detecting version. This can also take a little bit of time depending on how big your Minecraft world is. Basically, my Minecraft world should be on 1.19.2, and basically from there, it should be pretty simple. So, just giving it a second. Okay, so once you're here, so it says your source version is 1.19.0. It's probably going to be, for Minecraft Bedrock, it's probably going to be whatever the current version is out on. So for me, currently 1.19.2 is actually out, but 1.19.0 is the only one that it goes up to. So I'm just going to click that. Now, what's probably best is don't convert to any other Bedrock version, because we're going from Bedrock to Java. So go down here, and what I recommend is not going below your source version. So for mine, it says 1.19. I probably shouldn't go for 1.18.2. So I'm just going to click 1.19 right here, as that's the version that matches, and it's the newest version of the game. Now what I'm just going to do is click convert and download. Now you might have a queue, but I'm number 1 in the queue, so yeah. Basically, now it's just converting my world over. This could take a little bit of time, so just be careful. And basically, guys, for me, it's actually going pretty fast, but this last 15% or so, it's going to go to a pretty slow crawl, but basically, it should be done pretty soon. So basically, guys, I'm going to wait, and I will be back to you when this is done. Alright guys, and it's almost done. Now it says finalizing output. It's basically going to give you I believe a zipped folder that we can now put into our game. So I'm going to wait a second for it to load. Alright guys, now it's going to say zipping output, and then once you get to this page, just click download. Now basically guys, now you just have to wait for your world to download. Mine is around 284 megabytes, so I'm just going to give it a second. But for you guys, it's probably going to be a lot quicker, because this was a Minecraft realm, and my friends and me generated a lot of chunks, so yeah. So it shouldn't be that big. So basically guys, now another thing is that what we can do now while that's downloading is I want you to go to your start, do %app data, like that, %. Now I actually spelled data wrong, there's another T there. So, but you should get this, it should be a folder. So click on that folder, and then as you can see, you want to locate your .minecraft. Typically it's at the top, but you're not too, sometimes it could be somewhere else. So I'm just going to click .minecraft, and then you want to click saves. And basically guys, I want you to just minimize that because you're going to need that. Now guys, once you have that done, wait for your world to download. So I'll be back to you when mine is done. Alright guys, so once your world is downloaded, like mine is here, you can just close this. So basically what I want you guys to do is to go into your start and type in this PC, like that. And I want you to go to your downloads, and it should say your world as a zipped folder. So what I want you guys to do is drag that to your desktop. Now what I want you guys to do is once you have this folder right here, right click on it, and then click extract all, and then click extract. So once that's done, it's going to extract, and basically guys, now make sure you also have that other folder still open, so saves. So it'll have all your Java saves in there. But basically what I'm going to do is just wait for this to be done. It's almost done. So let me wait for that to be done. Okay, now it's almost done. Okay, so with that being said, if we go over here now, we have the community survival world, and it has our saves and region, all that stuff. So that's all good. Now what I just want you to do is copy that in, move it in, and then go back, and then go to Minecraft launcher, and just open that. And then I'm going to, since it's on 1.19, I'm just going to play the 1.19 release like that, and then just give it a second to load. I'll be back when I'm done loading. Alright guys, so once you're in your Java, you should just be able to click single player, and as you can see, it loaded at the top for me. Sometimes it's at the bottom, but it says community survival world copy. I just click play selected world, and let's see where I end up. Basically, yeah, so basically it's gonna take a little bit of time the first time you load the world. It's very laggy and slow for some reason. It's probably because, yeah, you converted it and it's finalizing some things, but it should go pretty quickly. I'm gonna time lapse through this, so I'll be back when this is done. Alright guys, it now says 100% joining world and loading terrain. So let's see where we ended up. So it's going to be a little bit laggy, but what I can see is we're pretty close already. So we got to give this a sec to load in chunks. Okay, so that's a little bit better. I think it's playable now. So as you guys can see though, our stuff is over in the distance. But basically guys, for you, it put me back at world spawn. So what you guys want to do is open up your F3 menu, like that. F3, okay, yeah, there's my F3 menu. And what you want to do is to open up that photo. So I will put mine on screen, the one I took of the coordinates. So I'm going to go back, open my phone real quick, and there is my coordinates. So it is 581, I believe. So I'm going to go down. 581. So where's my coordinates? Alright guys, so my chords are actually 581 neg 5, so I have to get over here. So it's going to be over here like this, neg 5, like there, and I should be able to find it now. There it is. So neg 581 right here, and then neg 5. So this is where it would have been taken. And basically guys, from here on you have all your stuff. in the chest. So what I'm gonna do is just break it all open because I don't like waiting, and let me do that. Alright, there we go. So now you just put your armor back on, do everything like that. But like I say, guys, if you're thousands of blocks out, you're going to have to find your coordinates on your own. You're gonna have to walk there. But basically, guys, that's it. So you guys have converted your world over. What I'm gonna do now is go into game mode. Is it game mode? Yeah, game mode creative, like that. And I will show you guys the world. So as you guys can see, we got this mesa biome. Let's see if the nether transferred over. I'm not sure if that honestly transferred over or not. As you can see, we got this house, and let's go into the nether real quick and see if it did transfer over. I think it might have. Yeah, so the nether did transfer over. Okay, so as you can see, guys, nether has transferred over. That's pretty sweet and all. I'm gonna get back into the nether. I mean, back into the overworld. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it's pretty much all transferred. Here's some of the other stuff that is transferred over. Here's the house from before. I think over here we have some more. Let me see real quick. There's another portal. Yeah, okay, it's all transferred over, guys. So aside from my chunks not wanting to load, it's all here, guys. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was kind of technical and long and boring, but I hope at the end of this you're able to transfer and convert your worlds from either version of the game. Obviously I love Java Edition, but I also like Bedrock because all my friends are on there. So yeah, guys, and you can tell this is Bedrock because I got the migrator cape. But anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching, and bye bye.